Hello, friends. It is Saturday evening at about 4:30. I'm recording this program in YouTube as usual to inspire our political stalwarts and honest workers. The world is driven by money and women. Kanta Kanchana Des. There are many other things also, but the percentage of effectiveness will be varying. For example, cinema field drives the world to some extent, influences the world. There are large cinegoers are there, food industry, etc., etc. Wine and liquor, internet users. So there are various sections, say various groups. In all these groups, let us discuss the lack of recognition for knowledge and intellect group. Friends, we are going as usual faceless, only showing you the contact of WhatsApp to help our political stalwarts. Make the foundation for the governments to come, widen the base of the thinkers, that too in the perspective of Jyotish. Intellect is controlled by the planet Mercury. Pandits say, our rishis have told us, Sri Guru Bhyo Namaha, we should be grateful to the rishis and sages. They have given us the nectar of life through Vedic knowledge. Intellect, which is powered by Mercury, they say that Mithuna Rashi or Gemini sign has got the control on the mind. That is why your mind-related diseases also, Mercury is the first planet astrologers see. Mercury, they say it is the inner mind, while the moon is the outer mind. Moon is behavior. In your horoscope, the star in which moon is placed shows about your character. But Mercury is different. Mercury is connected to mind, inner mind, and slowly Mercury, with the run of the mind, takes you inside to discipline. That's what our sages have told. Buddha, Buddha Jivi in Hindi. वैसा संस्कृत के नज़दीक है हिंदी. हमारी देशी भाषाओं में हिंदी भी बहुत अच्छा भाषा है. वैसा भी संस्कृत को नज़दीक में तेलुगु आता है, थोड़ा मराठी भी आता है मेरे ख्याल से. मेरे ख्याल नहीं, ऊपर वाले के ख्याल है. तो मर्करी इज़ द इंटेलेक्ट विच draws you inside. Just by Mercury you cannot get knowledge. The siddhi of the knowledge is given by Jupiter, Brihaspati. Mercury, no doubt, gives you the memory power also, the nervous strength. We have got Sir Isaac Newton, who told us the gravity, law of gravity. Michael Faraday, who have given us the electric bulb. James Watt has given us the steam engine. Wright brothers have given us the airplanes. Our rishis, Parashara, has given us the subject of astrology, Jyotish. Aryabhatta was a astronomer in Bharat Khand. Or Ambedkar was a writer of Indian Constitution. He was educated in England from a poor family. Like this, the list will go on. We will, in the course of this talk, remember some of the scientists also, no doubt. Braille Rippy was given to us by Braille for physically handicapped people. We have got Ford, who has invented a motor car. Sushruta, who invented 127 kinds of surgical instruments in the very ancient Bharatavani, in the Aryan civilization. And Charaka also was there, these two doctors in Ayurveda, and so on and so forth. The knowledge part also has got the spirituality and the philosophy as the balancing subject. We have Adi Shankaracharya, who has given us Advaita philosophy. Many pranams to Adi Shankara, who has given us thought to think about the world, how it is, that everything is divine, whether it is a material or a spiritual entity. We also have Ramanujacharya, who has given the Visishtadvaita. But the spirituality and the knowledge and the enjoyment of the knowledge or siddhi is given by Guru. The power of memory is given by Mercury. Though Mercury is somewhat like a businessman, but Mercury has got the trick of memory, and Mercury, mind you, is in Mooladhara Chakra. So it has got its twist and turn to drive its self-advantage. That is the immature mind we have, Mercury. It has to be properly channelized with a Guru aspect in the horoscope. Our political stalwarts have to follow great fathers of nation like Abraham Lincoln, who was so simple and was a nice USA president. And recently, Olof Palme was also a educated guru-like intellectual person from Switzerland. He was also a prime minister. While coming to home after coming from a cinema in the late night second show, he was shot, and that was the simplicity of Olof Palme. We also had painter Ravi Verma, Picasso, Michael Jackson, who has enthralled us with the knowledge of dance, Saint Tyagaraja, the idea of music, with the subject of music, Bhakta Ram Das, Siddhendra Yogi, who has given us dance, and many teachers. William Shakespeare in England, who was a great poet. So these sort of educated, brilliant people have given us many wonderful subjects to make to give the lead for us to mature into a intelligent, wise people. But today the spotlight is for money, but not for the educated and intellectual people. We are all giving you these many educated topics and videos so that we should clean ourselves and get ready for making a future which recognizes the intellect. Intellect is, put in a simple way, if you want to go from Hyderabad to UK, the intellectual person will see what is the nearest route, whether it is through Dubai or whether it is through some other path. So that way, intellectual person has got shortcuts. Friends, for getting intellect and appraising ourselves in the subject of philosophy and knowledge, we have to read many books and follow our gurujis, our sages and ancestors, what they have told. For example, one more guru is Sri Krishna avatar, who has given us Bhagavad Gita, Bible, who was given by the Guru Jesus, and another Guru, Sri Ramachandra avatar, who has given us the conductance how a person will be in family, like the husband, the brother, the son, the king. We have to study these epics. They say that many wonderful books are there, many histories are there, which will lead us into tranquility. Like Patanjali has given us Ashtanga Yoga. So these subjects have to be properly displayed, depicted as stage dramas. That is what we appeal to government. Inspire the youngsters. Go away from the glorifying, the poor senses glorifying movie fields, movies and other distractions, and make your life go into the analyzation and the realization of the divine soul, the purity of the soul. With these words, I take leave. Shubhratri, and I promise you that I will come with some other wonderful video. Until such time, take care and have a nice day.